Kids World Discovery. Have fun!
Hello guys, today we are going to make a nice fighter jet. Look how nice it is. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to take my origami paper, which is 15 centimeter like this and 15 centimeter like this. So let's turn it around and make a nice half triangle like this. Make a sharp Now I'm going to fold it inwards again, which is this way, and this side as well. I'm going to fold the head inwards tiny bit like this. Yeah, then turn it around and fold upwards this way. Now we're going to fold it one more time for both sides. So our fighter jet is ready. To make it more interesting, what we're going to do, we're going to color on wings each side. So let's start. They made some circles, so we can also do that, which I'm going to use stencil on this corner. Let's use white color because our paper is blue and the contrast color is always white with blue. Same thing, we will do it over here. Now, what we can do, we can color it the white. So guys, I've done all the white colors over here. I saw a little bit of gap, so I'm gonna just cover it up with the gap. So I made some circles over here. I tried to make these zigzag lines. Yes, so let's do that. So let's do it with this. I'm using white pen because it's in the contrast color of blue. Going to do one more line over here. And then we can do it this line and this way, and then lastly, what we're going to do, we're going to give a nice border on the wings so that it differentiates the black and the white and blue color. So let's do that. Like that, and this way as well. Okay guys, I've finished the drawings on the fighter jet. I've created patterns, circle and lines. So now my fighter jet is ready to take off. How he's going to take off? He's going to take off like this.
Click on the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe our channel.